how to schedule WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. To do this, you need to set up a shortcut. First of all, go through your shortcut on your iPhone and click on the new automation. From there, select time of the day, and then you can also customize the time and then hit on the next. From here, search for the WhatsApp and then hit on it, or you can also search it on the search bar. Once you do that, you will be in this page. Click on the add action. On the add action, say timer, and then set a timer of 1 minute, 2 minutes, however you want, and then you can also set up a date and hit on the done. In this way, you can successfully schedule WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.